Today we're going to upgrade the performance of our 2018 Mustang GT with a throttle body from BBK Performance. This 90mm Power Plus Throttle Body from BBK Performance is a great way to add some horsepower and torque to your 2018 through 2021 Mustang GT. This will work with both automatic or manual, and it's a 90mm construction, and it's going to be a direct replacement for the factory throttle body with no tuning required. For installing the 90mm throttle body on a stock unported manifold, because it's the largest throttle body available, BBK provides this billet aluminum spacer so you have proper clearance. Now, to install the throttle body, we're going to remove the upper intake cover. You actually can work around it if you want to, but it's a lot easier with that out of the way and makes it easier to see as well. Pop these little caps off and remove the two 10mm nuts. Now our Mustang already has a BBK cold air intake on it, so for the BBK, we're going to disconnect the tube over here and the other tube on this side. If you have a stock one, you'll also disconnect the tubes and then remove the entire tube from the car. The tubing disconnected, disconnect the coupler from the throttle body, and pull the tube off the throttle body. And disconnect the throttle body, pop this red tab back, and push down the plug and slide it off. All right, now we're going to remove the 4 bolts holding the throttle body in. And remove the factory throttle body. So you want to make sure, again, you use the spacer for this application. You can see where there is a factory ring here. So with the smooth side against the ring and the gasketed side against the throttle body. And again, make sure you use the hardware provided by BBK. The factory bolts will not reach. Just get all 4 started before you tighten anything down. Reach down, grab the factory harness, plug it into the BBK. Close the red tab. Now we're going to reinstall the intake tube. Now again, we are going to a larger throttle body. If you have a stock intake, this might be a little bit tighter. Definitely loosen the clamp up. And tighten the clamp. Then reconnect everything to the intake tubing. And the last step, reinstall your intake cover and install the hardware. And your installation is finished. BBK 90mm Power Plus Throttle will be worth a couple horsepower and some torque on a stock engine, but even more on a ported manifold or especially with a power adder. And when you first go to drive the car, there is a relearning process, so if the car stumbles a little bit or the idle searches, just drive it and it'll go away. The installation is pretty straightforward. It should take you less than an hour and you'll be back on the road in no time.